In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store's footer using the Sense theme. Let's dive right in to ensure that every aspect of your store aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and functionality. Starting from your Shopify dashboard, you'll want to navigate smoothly to the online store section. Once there, look for themes in the options that appear. This is where all the visual magic of your storefront begins, so it's an important place to become familiar with. Next, identify the Sense theme among your available themes. Click on Customize to delve into the theme editor, a robust tool that will allow for great personalization of your site. Once inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the sidebar to your left. You'll notice a variety of sections listed here, but for today, let's scroll all the way down to find the footer section. Clicking on Footer opens up a set of options that are specifically tailored for customization of this important part of your site. The footer is crucial as it can house essential information like links, text, menus, and even social media icons, providing quick access to visitors glancing for additional resources or wanting to connect on another platform. After clicking into the footer section, take note of all the elements you can modify. Whether you wish to add useful navigation links, edit text for clarity, or update your social media icons for consistency, the editor gives you plenty of control. Within this same section, be on the lookout for the theme settings or color scheme options. These settings offer you a chance to change up the colors for a more cohesive and visually appealing look. Perhaps your branding calls for a particular background color, or maybe the text and link colors need updating to ensure readability or enhance the aesthetic appeal. Carefully consider what color combinations best represent your brand's visual identity and adjust these accordingly for maximum impact. Certain versions of the Sense theme also offer flexibility in layout structure, allowing you to toggle between either a 1- or 2-column layout. This is an especially useful feature if you're looking to either simplify the information presented or expand it with a bit more structure. Once you're pleased with the updates you've made, remember to click the Save button located at the top right corner of the page. This is a key step as it ensures all your hard work is not lost, but instead brought to life on your live storefront's footer. With your changes successfully saved, you can now navigate to the front end of your store and celebrate how these updates contribute to a more polished and functional appearance. Congratulations on taking this step toward enriching your Shopify store, ensuring it resonates with customers and elevates their shopping experience.